How to change clothing of your Roblox avatar. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can change the clothing of your Roblox avatar. So to do this, all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. The first thing that you got to do is launch your Roblox application and then click over to your profile picture at the top corner. Now once you do this, you will see your avatar right here. So click onto this edit avatar option. Now from here, make sure that you choose the clothing option and you have a tons of different types ranging from tops to underwear to bottoms to shoes to classic shirts, classic pants and classic tees as well. So currently I do not own any jobs, so it is not showing anywhere. Now similarly for underwear, bottoms, shoes, classic shirts, classic pants, and classic t-shirts as well. So for example, let's say if you want to wear any other t-shirts from our variety of t-shirt, you can simply click onto that and you will be wearing that particular t-shirt as you can see right here. Now, similarly for shirts, I do have a few shirts, so I will be showing you how I can wear different types of shirts like this one. Now to remove someone, like let's say I want to remove this particular T, so what I can do is simply uncheck it and now you can see that this has been removed. So that's how easily you can apply clothing to your Roblox. That was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.